Get directions to PC World in Chatham.
Getting directions to Currys PC World. Starting route to Currys PC World. Use the
Play album royalty-free music.
Okay, here's the album Royalty Free Music, Volume 3 by Royalty Free Music Lab.
Get directions to Asda Chatham using Waze.
One possibility is Getting directions to Asda Supermarket using Waze.
Opening credits. Shows that are made in an era of streaming services where there is a potential for you to watch episode after episode have to decide.
Most shows I watched.
Get directions to PC World Chatham using Google Maps.
One option is Currys PC World on Maidstone Road. Getting directions to Currys PC World using Google Maps.
Game of Thrones intro every
Not
week.
House of Cards, though. That was like 10 minutes long.
And I would watch it to get the remote and let the music play. You know, like one of the cool things, you know, lots of shows do it, but they'll pick at the end of an episode, instead of having a theme song like you do at the opening.
In a quarter of a mile. At the roundabout.
But if you did leave it running, it's a pleasant surprise. Like, it's the best form of it. Unlike, you know, things like the Marvel movies where we've all been conditioned as a society to sit through 10 years of credits because we know there will be post-credit sequences, possible multiple ones. TV
Right.
shows, you never know. Sometimes there'll just be one at the end.
Room to the classroom with the slightest stirring of sand or curious movement among, and there was a loud, obnoxious scraping of chair legs in response. Desk lids were slammed closed, notebooks were hustled into backpacks, and boys and girls alike were swiftly